Here's a recent addition to the lineup. We have a 2010 Acura MDX, 190,000 miles. Cared for, exceptionally cared for. It's a local trade. It's an all-wheel drive. It's a third row. It's driven approximately 14,000 miles a year. And everything you see here is standard. Top wood grain, backup camera, Bluetooth, disc player, 8-way adjustable seats. That's 5 there. And you can sit the rest of the game here in the back. There we go. There's the third row. And it lays down completely flat. Oh yeah. So again, we got the 2010 Acura MDX. It's Acura's #1 selling vehicle. Midsize SUV, third row. 3.5 liter V6. Belt driven, very good on fuel, and again, it's a local vehicle, so there's no rust. To learn more about this car, check us out online at perautokc.com, perautokc.com, or give a call at 913-766-3225, or come on down to Merriam. We're located right at 6102 Merriam Drive. Beautiful Merriam, Kansas. Right here on the corner, right here on the price. We'll see you soon.